Hi guys, Crafty Catsy again. Just a quick video. I don't know if any of you have heard of the folders called Diffusers. It's where you can take any shape and put it onto a folder, which you've got a piece of paper in. Let's pretend this is a folder and this is my shape. Put the shape on the outside of the folder, run it through, like sandwich it, run it through whatever machine you're using, and when you take it out and take the paper out or the card out that you've got inside the folder, it will leave, like this shape will leave this area, in the middle here, it will leave it flat. It won't be embossed. So that if you want to stamp something or write something or whatever, you've got a flat surface to do it on, because we all know that once we've embossed a card or a piece of paper, it's very difficult to stamp on it and it does not look good. But these diffusers allow you to do that, and it also puts the shape of whatever shape you put on there, it makes that shape in the card. And as I said, it leaves the middle shape inside the shape. It leaves it flat and smooth. It doesn't emboss that part. So it's really neat. Now I have ordered the Tim Holtz diffusers set. I think it's a 3-pack. Won't have them for a couple weeks, but I thought after seeing a couple of videos on this that I would try to do it myself. So I used my Gypsy, and I went in and chose a few shapes. And you can't choose the ones that are all one piece like this, because what happens is you cannot go into the advanced setting in your Gypsy and resize the inside shape if it's not separate. And what I mean is, when you go in and choose a shape, you need to choose two. So say I picked the gear shape like this, and I chose a circle. Although this is one piece, that's what I wanted to do, but I couldn't because there was no option for that. But on other shapes, I picked two shapes. I picked one, it was a wiggly shape, and then I picked an oval, and I sat the oval shape inside the wiggly one, and then I went into the advanced options on the Gypsy and resized both the oval to 2.8 and the outside wiggly shape, I sized that to 5.5. And because I was able to resize both, it came out much better. And so then I glued, first I tried a single piece of cereal box, so we'll use that for chipboard. Then I glued two of them together to try different thicknesses to see which one would work best. Now, gluing two together worked best as far as leaving the middle smooth and flat, but actually both of them, single and or double pieces, caused the paper to get rather thin. And the only other time that's ever happened to me is when I've used cardstock that was too thin. But I tried like a few different thicknesses of cardstock for this project, and every single one came out to my dismay. It came out too thin to my liking or whatever. So I don't know if maybe there's another solution or not. I'm going to try next putting a piece of cardstock glued to a piece of this cereal box chipboard, and that might be a little different, and see how that works. But you can't really see the result of what I did here. It's just because it's white, probably. Let's see if I can find something here that's, I don't know if you can see that one or not. No. Okay, well, I will try again in another video. But it was my experiment, and it was a lot of fun.